I do not want to go to school tomorrow. Why am I nervous? I've been coming here for 5 years.
I forgot my summer homework. Oh my god. Oh my god. When have I ever done my summer homework? When have I ever done my...
Damn, Johnny got tall as hell. Why does he golf? He should be in basketball. Oh my god, is that Juan? How do you have a full-on beard? You're 14, bro. Jeez Louise. Ooh, who's that though? She look good. What? Miss Johnson?
Good morning, class. Good morning, class. Everyone stand up for the Pledge of Allegiance, please. Everyone, yes, including you.
Right now?
Including you.
Right
Stand
now.
up.
Right now. I can't stand up.